Hi everyone, and welcome to Elizabeth's Big Girl Room Tour. My daughter will be 3 in May, and this is her official Big Girl bedroom. We started this in October. It is now February, and she moved in November. So yeah, I'm super excited to take you along and share with you where everything is from. A lot of this was mine and Richard's, so it's really cool that she has pieces that used to be ours, and we've also brought pieces from her nursery into her big girl room. Now, something I wanted to do, and I got this inspiration from Brittany Bourne Leach, was take pieces, accessories, and that be like her theme, but just keep everything else the same. So her blanket, her wall color, I wanted it so that she could stay, grow into it, and as she changes, I could just change out the photos and accessories and things like that, if that makes sense. So this is her dollhouse that my niece gave her, and then that mat you see is from HomeSense. This is her dress-up bin. The bin is from Amazon. It came in a pack of 3, and it's a really cute mat, and it just gives some comfort. And then this rocking chair was his Pepe's, and that blanket was from her nursery. That's actually one of my flower girl baskets, and this painting belonged to my mom, and this cross stitch is something that she did for Elizabeth. And then this was from Vistaprint my friend made, and these 3 artworks are actually from my photographer friend. And then the blankets and pillows are all mine that I had when I was a little girl, as well as that Afghan that my mom made. And this room is super functional. She's been in it for a while, so I know everything in this room works. We do want to change the nightstands and refurbish them, but for now they're fine. And then as you can see, that is my trunk that was mine, and it matches the room really nicely, and I just keep her extra blankets in here. And then in her closet you're going to see the 2 other storage bins. These are from Amazon, and I just keep her smaller toys, her Polly Pockets, things like that. She has her bedtime diapers, her sweaters, things like that. She has a little crib in here that used to be mine, and her size 4 clothes. I also wanted to mention those felt hangers are from Winners, but I don't recommend them. And then we have this frame that used to have a different picture in it, and this is where I keep all of her books. And she has her muslin blankets. She loves sleeping with them, especially the Tay. And the little llama bookends are from HomeSense. They don't work awesome, but they do the trick. And then the bed rails I just got from a mom to mom sale, but as you can see, I keep books on both ends. And in the drawer in this nightstand, you will see I keep they're like these magnetic toys, but basically all of the toys that are small I keep in her room. That way when her brother comes, I don't have to worry about him getting into her small pieces. And then I'm super proud of there's a drawer. I just love how organized it is. She got her soothers, her eczema cream, socks, underwear, her remote for the TV, and her nighttime diapers. And I always keep wipes in here. I rarely have to use them, but I just feel like it's good. You never know when you're gonna need wipes. And then we keep her pajamas in here. I actually just ordered some new ones from a mom to mom sale because she needs more pajamas. She just doesn't have enough. This is all of her summer stuff. I will get to it when it's warmer out. And then the bottom drawer is all of her winter stuff, so pants, shirts, things like that. She's got a mixture of size 3 and size 4 as she's kind of transitioning to a different size. And then this little ottoman thing I got, I want to say at TJ Maxx. This is a special bear that my coworker gave her, and he is so soft. But in this ottoman, I just keep all of her little stuffed animals. She likes to choose which one she's going to sleep with at night. And that was from her bigger herb nursery as well. And then the shelf is from Jisk. And I just kind of put some decor up here. We have a frame, her little piggy bank from Babies R Us, a fake floral arrangement from HomeSense. This frame was a gift and it was hanging in her nursery, which I put up here. And then her little unicorn that she got from Babies R Us from her nursery, our baby shower. And then this is a frame, this is a photo that my friend printed, who also did the artwork on the other wall. And then this is a special little light up box that my brother got her. It has her name on it, and that frame my mother-in-law got her as well. So we've incorporated pieces from her nursery into her big girl room, and I love it. I also am going to share with you kind of what we keep under her bed. So under her bed is all of her like clothes that people have gifted that just don't fit, that I'm trying to like show you. And then she also has these like reusable stickers in that container from Melissa and Doug that she can use. And then I'm also going to share with you guys what we keep over where her CD player is. So we got that CD player from a mom to mom sale, and then this little basket my friend got her, and we keep all of her holiday books in here, as well as her books that come with a CD. And then she has all of her Barbie dolls and accessories here. So that is it. That is everything for her big girl room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm so excited that I can finally share it with you all, and I will see you next week for a brand new video. Bye guys.